Hey everyone, this is Chef Mark and I'm at Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom and I'm here to talk about laundry. What does the chef know about laundry? Well gosh, I'm a messy cook, so I definitely know my way around a washer and dryer as well as pretty much anyone I know. There's two main styles of laundry. If you're thinking about a small space, maybe a laundry closet, you have limited room in your laundry area, and that's unitized, which is washer and dryer that are combined, and stackable. So let's go over some pros and cons of each. Some pros to the unitized, it's a little less expensive, right? So these units, because they're combined, they tend to be much less than a separate washer and dryer that you stack. So that's one of the benefits. Also, they do a really good job with heavy duty laundry because typically they have an agitator machine. So you can see here there's this auger in there which really gets heavy duty soil removed from clothing. So if you have like a lot of grease in your clothes, like I do after I'm done cleaning, these do a really effective job. You know, they have deep water fill, so kind of more of traditional laundry. As far as the dryer is concerned, I think it's just really easy to load and unload. This opening seems small, but I'll tell you what, you can really get in there. Also the hookups, because they're all kind of close together, sometimes the hookup is really easy to handle. Downsides, certainly you're low on capacity, so they're just smaller than a traditional washer dryer. They're stacked on top of each other. For some people, the agitator, because it's harder on clothes, that could be a downside. And lastly, they're hard to move. They're big and they're heavy. So if you're thinking about unitized washer dryer, I would definitely recommend professional install and delivery because they're big and heavy. I've moved one of these and man, three big strong guys and we struggle to move one of these. So they can be on the heavy side, kind of cumbersome as well. So that's pros and cons to unitize. Let's go check out stacking and see what we have over there. Now we're looking at front load, standard washer and dryer. And this is comparable to a unitized because you can stack them. So again, this will fit in a laundry closet or a smaller area. Sometimes people like to stack the laundry in a laundry room so they have more room for maybe a mini fridge or a laundry counter or a laundry sink. So benefits to this, a lot of capacity, right? So because these are traditional front load, you have a ton of room. You can definitely do queen and king size laundry in here. The dryer has a ton of space. You get additional benefits like steam dryer, sanitize cycle, and they're probably quieter as well, just because front load laundry just tends to be a little quieter. So more capacity, more features, however, a lot more expensive. So you have two units, you're gonna need a stacking kit, you're gonna need a steam kit. So there's some additional things that you need to factor in as far as expense when you're going this way. Also, I think the big downside is, you know, a modern washer dryer, they're designed to last about 10, 12 years. If one of them goes out and they don't make that chassis, that box anymore, you're looking at replacing both units because the stacking kit, you can't have two different chassis on a stacking kit. So that can be kind of problematic. I have had customers end up building a shelf and putting a new washer in under that shelf as a creative way to kind of have stacking washing dryer without having to worry about the stack kit. So that's something that you might need to worry about, but way down the road. It depends on how long you may be keeping that property. So those are the pros and cons of stacking washer dryer versus unitized washer dryer. And we have all of this in stock at Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom. We've got plenty of laundry in stock. So swing on by any of the 19 locations in Colorado, ask one of the sales experts. They're gonna make sure that you get the right stacking or unitized laundry. This is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Online or locally, save at appliancefactory.com. Click the link to learn more.